In this video, we will cover how to enter a manual target rate on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, press the selection tile next to TGT rate on/off. Press the right directional arrow to change the TGT rate from automatic to manual. Use the up and down directional arrows to set your target rate in units per acre. We have now covered how to enter a manual target rate on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.